Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Kyle Summers with Summers Counseling, and I'm about to hit the gym again, but I wanted to slow down for a second to talk about slowing down. Actually, I'm starting to notice that two things. Either I need to get a new phone because the quality of it's kind of crap, or that I need to get better sleep because I got some bags under my eyes. Anyhow, I watched a really good video last night by the Modern Yinster that talked about meditation, and she's super knowledgeable on how to help someone learn how to meditate and understand that process and what it is and what it isn't. I'll tag her for some information in order to help you navigate towards her and look at her videos. But I wanted to talk a little bit about the way in which I see mindfulness, especially for my fellow men. And you know, so I'm about to go to the gym, and the gym is a really cool way of like looking at life in a lot of different ways. You know, we all go to the gym for a reason, and so the reason that we're going is something in the future. You know, we want to get bigger, get stronger, lose weight or something, and so our mind is constantly kind of fast forward into the end result. And so many people struggle with the gym because it takes so long in order to get to where it is that you want to be. We get frustrated, so on and so forth. And even looking at the weights, in order for your muscles to grow, you pick weight up. You pick weight up and muscles grow, and you do that a few 100 million times and your muscles are bigger as a result. But rather than focusing on just moving the weight, focus on how the muscle feels when you move the weight. And so anybody that follows bodybuilding, muscle building, workouts or anything has probably heard of the mind-muscle connection. And the mind-muscle connection is essentially a form of being mindful. When you pick up a weight that you can handle and you go and you squeeze your muscle on that rep, you're consciously focusing on that muscle. And that's being mindful. Being mindful, being present is nothing more than just being aware and conscious and paying attention to something that's happening around you. Your senses, your breathing, the sounds in the room, something. So for those of y'all going to hit the gym today, put down the heavy ass weight, pick up something you can handle, and just feel the muscle burn, the contraction when you lift it. Enjoy it. Recognize that that's how you're going to build bigger and stronger muscles, and enjoy the fact that you're doing it. It's going to take a hell of a long time, so might as well just enjoy each and every rep on your way there. Anyhow, guys, y'all have a great day. I'm going to go get me a workout, and see y'all later. Peace.